welcome to my channel. Here we're going to make a grinder mount for your garage. I've already started making this mount before, so I took this piece of steel that I've already cut out and verified that it's set right behind the head of the grinder. I had to swap out the battery in my grinder because it's always dead whenever I need it. Yep, that's right. I forgot something else. All right, it's fast work time. All right, so we're gonna try to melt some metal together and not burn down the garage. I'm having issues seeing through my auto darkening welding helmet just because I had my garage. Door wide open because it's a beautiful day outside. But it feels like I'm welding with my eyes shut. Here I am welding the back piece that mounts to the stud of the wall, making sure it's still 90 after I melted it. And now trying to figure out how to use this magnet. Yeah, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? trying to figure out where to put the ground and without screwing up the magnet. Just wait. Still can't see. And then I messed up the magnet. It's rocket science here, people. Time to burn. Well, I didn't burn it all the way and it fell apart. Still learning to love flux core wire. I'm still not a fan. I think I got it figured out now. Let's ground it and mess it up again. I need a welding table bad. I'd love to get one of those new fixture tables at Harbor Freight. I think we got a good tack there. Oh yeah, it's not falling apart. Magnet away. Let's get to welding the other side. Yep, I definitely welded that with my eyes shut. Time to make it look good with the grinder. And for some reason, I've recorded this all off camera. Can't see it, really. Sorry about that. We're trying to pound off the spatter. Anybody have any suggestions for that? Can't stand that. Put some suggestions in the comments so I can get rid of the splatter everywhere. Marking out the holes, and then I'll punch it, drill the holes, and then voila. I'm not really even going to paint it. And I found a place right in front of the workbench to put the mount up on the stud, test fit. I think it looks pretty daggum good. Oh, look at that. There's the grinder, and it's mounted. Thanks, guys.